Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 will present financial statement analysis of Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad and Farm Fresh Berhad. First of all, my name is Aina Mardia binti Daumat Nasib. This is our group members. Let's move on to the introduction. Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad is the subsidiary of Friesland Campina, one of the world's largest dairy cooperative in the Netherlands. Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad has been in the industry for over 16 years in Malaysia and was established in 1963 in Petaling Selangor. Dashadi Milk Industry is one of Malaysia's top dairy companies, well known for its dedication to providing high quality dairy nutrition. Therefore, Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad continue investing in research and development to innovate and improve its product. It led them to a deep understanding of local consumer preference and helped them maintain their position as one of the leading dairy brands in Malaysia. Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad operates as a public limited company. A public limited company is a company that has offered share of stock to the general public, enabling it to invest in innovative processes which can help the company grow and expand its operation. The shareholders have limited ability to the amount they invested in this business. The principal activity of Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad is the manufacturing and distribution of a wide range of dairy products including fresh milk, flavored milk, powdered milk, juicy milk and yogurt.
Count the moon.
Farm Fresh Berhad is one of the well-known companies in Malaysia alongside Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad. Farm Fresh Berhad has been established for more than 10 years. Started with a small land in Johor and imported 16 Holstein Jersey cows from Australia to create Farm Fresh Berhad nowadays. Similar to Dashadi Milk Industry Berhad, Farm Fresh Berhad has been operating as a public limited company. This type of business with limited liability support Farm Fresh by safeguarding the personal asset of its stockholder. The principal activity primarily focus on dairy farming, production, processing and distribution of dairy products. Farm Fresh maintain excellent standard for all its products and services due to its ownership and management of its farms, making it available to control the quality. Farm Fresh produce a wide range of products including fresh milk, flavored milk, yogurt-based products and plant-based products such as soy, almond and oat milk.
My name is Nur and Ashikin and I will present about the findings of Dashadi Berhad. For the liquidity ratio, there are two parts which are current ratio and quick ratio. For the current ratio, it shows that for every RM1 of the current liabilities, Dashadi has 80 cents of the current assets to repay the current liabilities. And for the quick ratio, it shows that for every RM1 of the current liabilities, Dashadi has 32 cents of its liquid asset to repay the current liabilities. Next, for the profitability ratio, there are 4 parts. The first one, net profit margin. It describes that for every 1 ringgit of sales, there are 5 cents of net profit was made after the expenses were paid. And second, for the gross profit margin, it shows that 29.69% means for every 100 ringgit of sales, there are 29.69 ringgit of gross profit was made before any expenses were paid. Next, for the return on asset, Treasury has 7.65% for converting its asset into profit. And for the return on capital employed, Treasury has 22.88% in generating profits from its capital employed. Next, for the efficiency ratio analysis, the inventory turnover describes that within an accounting period, Treasury has replaced its stocks 4.32 times per annum, and for the average collection period, Treasury able to collect debts from its debtors within 24 days of the accounting period. Next, for the efficiency analysis, the total asset turnover, it describes that for every 1 ringgit invest in the total assets, Treasury able to earn 2 cents. Furthermore, for the leverage ratio analysis, the debt ratio indicates that 53.82% of the Treasury's assets are financed by debts. And for the debt to equity ratio, Treasury has 116.56% of the company's assets financed through equity. And last but not least, for the time interest earned, the interest expenses of Treasury are 22.31 times covered by its earning before interest and tax. And that's all from me, and I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nordin binti Anas and I will present about the financial ratios for Farm Fresh Berhad in terms of liquidity, profitability, efficiency and leverage ratio. First, we look at the liquidity ratio. For the current ratio of Farm Fresh Berhad is 3.01:1, which indicates that for every 1 ringgit of current liabilities, Farm Fresh Berhad has 3 ringgit 1 cents of current assets to repay the current liabilities. Next, the value of quick ratio of Farm Fresh Berhad is 1.89:1, which indicates that for every 1 ringgit of current liabilities, Farm Fresh Berhad has 1 ringgit 89 cents of current assets to repay that 1 ringgit of liabilities. Next, for the profitability ratio, as for the net profit margin, Farm Fresh Berhad obtained 79 cents for every 1 ringgit of sales were made. Besides, for the gross profit margin, Farm Fresh Berhad has 23.77% of gross profit, which indicates that for every 100 ringgit of sales, 23.77 cents gross profit was made before any expenses were paid. For the return on assets, Farm Fresh Berhad has a return on assets on 4.10% at converting its asset into profit. While for the return on capital employed, Farm Fresh Berhad has a return on capital employed of 7.11% in generating profits from its capital employed. Next, for the efficiency ratio, for the inventory turnover, Farm Fresh Berhad has replaced its stocks 3 times per annum within an accounting period, and for the average collection period, Farm Fresh Berhad able to collect debts from its debtors within 76 days of the accounting period. For the total asset turnover, Farm Fresh Berhad able to earn 1 cent only for every 1 ringgit invested in the total assets turnover. Last but not least, for the leverage ratio, the debt ratio indicates that 40.16% of Farm Fresh Berhad's assets are financed by debts, and for the debt to equity ratio, Farm Fresh Berhad has 67.11% in debt for every ringgit of equity, which indicates that the proportion of debt used to finance the company relative to equity. And lastly, for time interest earned, the interest expenses of Farm Fresh Berhad are 5.37 times covered by its earning before interest and tax. After we comparing the financial ratios for both companies, we conclude that the potential supplier to be collaborative with is Farm Fresh Berhad for partnership business. This is because Farm Fresh Berhad has superior liquidity ratios with a current ratio of 3.01 and a quick ratio of 1.89, showing outstanding short-term financial stability and the capacity to cover current liabilities more comfortably than Dash Lady's lower ratio. Moreover, Farm Fresh Berhad's profitability ratios such as net profit margin of 7.93% and a gross profit margin of 23.77% demonstrate its capacity to generate profits from sales. Besides, Farm Fresh Berhad's leverage ratios, which include a debt ratio of 40.16% and a time interest earned ratio of 5.37 times, indicate a reasonable level of debt and a strong ability to cover interest payments. These strong financial elements make a Farm Fresh Berhad a more dependable and potential beneficial partner for Aspire. That's all from me, and I will pass to the next presenter.
My name is Nur Rauda Syakina binti Muhammad Zaki. Next, as a potential investor who deciding a partnership between Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad or Farm Fresh Berhad need to consider based on profitability and also leverage ratio. Firstly, Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad has a superior profitability ratio indicating its efficiency when generating profits. Meanwhile, Farm Fresh Berhad has a stronger leverage ratio indicating lower reliance on debt compared to equity. For investor, prioritizing stability and lower financial risk, especially during economic downturn, Farm Fresh Berhad is a preferred choice due to its lower debt level and can reduce risk of financial distress. Conversely, investors who focus on growth potential and robust profitability might find Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad more appealing as it promising growth prospective with potential in increasing earnings and can expand market share. In conclusion, both companies offers distinct advantage and drawback from a financial standpoint. Therefore, the investment decision should align closely with specific investment goals. Regarding liquidity ratio, Farm Fresh Berhad has a strong liquidity ratio indicating it can more easily meet its financial obligation compared to Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad. Secondly, for profitability ratio, Dutch Lady Milk Industry demonstrates strong profitability ratio indicating effective cost control and pricing strategies. Thirdly, for efficiency ratio, highlight Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad's effectiveness in managing assets and generating sales. Lastly, based on leverage ratio, Farm Fresh Berhad shows a strong leverage ratio indicating lower financial risk. These are our reference that we use in this project.
Audio Jungle.